Alright, working on polishing up all my chrome. So the pieces here are for around the front window, the back, and the two chrome strips along the rocker panels. For just doing chrome that is already kind of in a good, decent condition, I basically just got some steel wool with the 4-0 grade, and then some polish, and then worked on it to get them clean and get the grime off of it, and then repeated it again with a rag and polish, and then cleaned, and that was it. So those turned out pretty good. And then as far as the rails along the rocker panels, so here's the top. So this one here is the driver's side, and so you got all the grime and nicks and stuff like that at the front tire, so where it kicks up everything of the rocks and the grease and stuff like that. And then in order to get this one cleaned up, I literally had to sand it down and repolish it. So these are aluminum. So when you do sand it, you gotta repolish the aluminum to its shining. So this is what I've done. So the process of doing that, I got some 240 sandpaper and did a quick rough sanding of the entire thing up and down, and then I hit with the 600 sandpaper up and down all around, and then hit with the steel wool with the polish up and down, and then after that I had two things here. I had my grinding wheel with a polish rag on it. I started with this, but this spun way too fast and kind of got out of control. So to save myself backache and arms, so I took my drill and I put it on a vise, and then I had it spinning at whatever rate I wanted. I got some wire to twist it and then get the right rate, and then got another polish wheel, and then I worked out pretty good. So it just plugged it in and it spun as I worked here and worked back and forth and got the polishing, and that's how I got this finish here. So I got a nice mirror finish, so you can see the difference between the two in terms of polishing. So it is possible to polish aluminum. And then these other pieces here, these are steel. So the rails along the rocker panels are aluminum, but you cannot do that with the steel ones that are around the windows, because those are chrome versus just a polished aluminum. And then I've got the rest to finish up. That's part of it, so I'm going to continue the process with those and some other, but that's kind of what I did, getting cleaned up, polished up. All right, that's it.